you can create multiple master pages for different parts of your book. Let's see how we do it. So let's suppose we have our master page A, with the book title, book name on the left header and the section name on the right header. And on the footer we have page numbers. So this works perfectly for regular pages, yes, with mostly content, with mostly text. And let's suppose that for the chapter pages, we always want to start our chapters on the right side and have an image on the left side page. So let's start this on the right side. Yes, start on next odd page like this. And we need to place an image here. We can change the text style for heading in this case, so that it always starts on the right side, on the odd page, and we can manually place images on the right side and crop it to fit inside the page. But what we have, for example, 40 or 50 chapters, then it's going to take a lot of time and it's not efficient. And in this case, we need to create a new master. Duplicate this master, duplicate. So now this is master B. Let's come in here and we see that we have a text frame, here, section name and section name like this. And when we have a heading 1, heading 2, like this chapter main headings, we don't need header above it. So we delete that. We also delete header and footer on the left side, since here we will have an image. And we can also delete the text frame. Yes, we only have a text frame on the right side. And we need to place picture frame on the right side. The picture frame works exactly like the text frame. We have a box, we have a frame where we can insert our images. And since we want our images to extend to the edge of the page, so that we want to place our images on a whole page, we need to extend the text frame all the way to the bleed, like so. And here as well, like this. You see, just here it doesn't cover the whole page, but it extends to the bleed, okay? And let's see how it goes. So this is our regular chapter and we have master B. To apply this master on a specific spread, we can just drag and drop it like so. You see, here we have our image frame and you see that the header just disappeared. And I have prepared images for like 10 chapters just to show you how it works. We have our image frame here and we need to just drag and drop the image. Drag, select your image, go to Affinity and just drop it. Perfect. It was placed exactly on the image frame. If we wouldn't have our image frame, when we place, it would be placed like so. You see, the image is huge and it covered all the spread and also it went beyond the spread. That's why we want to have our image frame. Let's go to chapter 2. So here just regular text, okay, master page A works great here. Let's go. And here. So as I said, we need to change here to flow option. We are not on next page, on next odd page. Okay, so now every chapter starts on the right side page. Let's apply master page B. You see now? It's clean. And we need to drag and drop the image here. Of course, need to repeat that for every chapter. And what if your book is black and white? You can also apply the filter. Let's go to layers. Let's go to filter here. And you see black and white. You can apply this. You can play around with these channels, okay, to control the black and white colors more precisely. For example, it means these channels inside your image, and when you turn it to the right, you can make it brighter, so white, or you can move it to the right side to make this channel, this specific color, darker or black. Okay, and you can do it manually for every chapter, or of course you can do it also on the master page. So right now there is no filter. Go to master page and apply filter, black and white. Okay, and of course you need to apply this filter not on a whole spread, but only for the picture frame. You should select the filter and place it inside the picture frame, like so. And you see here all our images turned to black and white automatically. If you have any issues with your book formatting, cover design, or publishing your book, just leave a comment down below and I will be happy to help you.